Hello everyone, and welcome to another video presentation courtesy of the University of North Texas Physics Department with the assistance of the Physics Demo Room. My name is Corey Nook, and I'll be assisting today's demo. Today's demonstration we're going to be talking about is the intensity of sound and how it's measured. So from the board behind me, we have that sound is usually measured in terms of decibels, denoted as beta, which is equal to 10 labeled decibels, times the log of the intensity of the sound divided by the initial intensity. Now this initial intensity is like the threshold for which we can perceive sound and we can actually hear sound. So if we see that I equals I naught, our beta or our intensity level is equal to 0. So that's where we kind of establish our threshold. But if you notice this log-based scale, it's in units of 10. So with this kind of factor, in order to get a intensity that sounds like it's twice as loud, you really have to have the decibel change be on the order of 10 decibels. So if all of a sudden if I go from, let's say, 0 to 10 decibels, that a sound should appear to be twice as loud. So what I have in front of me is just a sound level intensity meter, a decibel reader. As you can see, it's changing different values as I'm talking. So if I get really close, you can see that it goes over the max scale. And these numbers on the side just tell us what's the minimum and maximum reading. So right now it's at reading about, I'm going to change the scale, see if that's a little bit easier. So right now it's reading about 0. Now I'm going to see if I can raise the intensity a little bit. Hold. So that way I now doubled the intensity, or doubled the sound, what you might think is the intensity, but I changed it by 10 decibels. So that's where we appear that the sound is twice as loud as the original sound. There are also several apps you can get this on your phone as well. Also remember that there's different thresholds of hearing, such as when you will start to experience pain. So this is where you will actually hear some people talk about noise. They'll say, oh, how many decibels was this, instead of like intensity. So, well, thank you for listening to this video presentation and have a wonderful day.